How to make Facebook account private on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make your Facebook account private on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make your Facebook account private on your phone, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to first of all launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top left, and let's say you have a public profile that you might want to make it private. For that, just tap the three dots option located over here, and here you'll find the option called lock profile. So make sure to tap the lock profile option here, and once you tap the lock profile option, you can just tap the lock your profile option so that other people can send you friend requests, but they will not be able to view your messages, your photos, your timeline, and so on. So this way you'll be able to make your Facebook account private from your phone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.